Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thursday, so we're going to be making a boozy milkshake today. But before I get started, let me just say, if you are new here, you love food, you love fun, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so for this, all we need, this is super simple. We're going to do 3 ounces of Bailey's strawberry and cream, maybe a little more, just a little more. Maybe 4 ounces. I think the bottle's almost empty. We're just going to put it all in there. All right. We'll just say the end of the bottle. And then we're going to put 2 ounces of heavy whipping cream. All right. A cup of strawberries. Fresh or frozen. You can use whatever you have on hand. Whoa, I almost lost our ice cream there. And a big scoop of ice cream. Look how big this ice cream scooper is. All right, so a big scoop of ice cream. If I can get it out of there. There we go. All right, I'm going to put my lid on and we're just going to blend. Well, I got my lid backwards. There we go. And we're just going to give it a blend, give it a whirl, give it a blend, give it a whirl. I think that's it. I always have to sniff it. It smells good. We might need a little more ice cream in there. I might like it a little bit thicker than this, but we'll go ahead and give it a try. Oh, it looks pretty good. Looks like a smoothie, which means you could have this for breakfast. It needs a little more sweetness. If we're going to call it a milkshake, it needs a little more sweetness. But it might just because I put so much of the Bailey's in there. It has a little extra Bailey's. That's why it needs extra ice cream. It's really good though. But you don't want the kids to see you making this because then they're going to want a milkshake and we can't feed this to them. Oh, I was going to make this a chocolate covered strawberry flavored. We just have strawberry. But I think when I make the next one, I'll probably drizzle some chocolate around in there. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Really quick, really good. Really easy to make. So give it a try. Let me know what you think down in the comments and I will see you next Thursday with another drink recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.